In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide tweets from followers. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Twitter application and then right here tap at your profile picture. As you can see, there I got 2 followers. I can tap right there where it says followers to see the list of my followers, and now here let's say I want to block that person from seeing my tweets and my profile. In that case, all I have to do is just hold down right there to bring up these options, and from here I can tap right there where it says block. Also, I can open up that user's profile page, then tap on 3 dots icon, and from here tap on block. And now it says that if I block that person, it will no longer be able to follow or message you, and you will not see notifications from that person. Also, they would not get access to your profile page, and actually it removes that user from your followers list. I just hit add block. That guy has now been blocked, and now I can go back to my followers list, and here now this guy marked as blocked. In any time I can go back here and tap where it says block, then hit on unblock to unblock this user. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.